Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a $10,000 a month product in under 10 minutes. Okay, I do these videos quite a lot because it forces me to show you guys exactly how I do it, to cut the fluff, to cut all the chatter, and just show you exactly how we do it. So that's why I do these videos. And here's another one for you. Now, if you're interested in this sort of stuff, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications bell because we drop useful videos like this every single week. Guys, let's go. Let's get into it. Let me show you how you can find a product in the way we find products. So we're going to use Helium-10 and Black Box again. And if you want to use this, I'm going to leave some coupons in the description below where you can save either 50% off your first month or 10% for life. Okay. I use my mentors and it saves me money every month. So if you want to do the same, use those coupons because I'm going to show you how you can change your life with one of these tools. So last time we used the keywords tab. This time we're going to use the products tab. Now I've got a timer ready. So last time I did it in 12 minutes. This time we're doing it in 10 minutes because I think I can do it. And before I start, what I'm going to do is just show you really quickly and smoothly a simple way for you to find very good products. And then we're going to look at a few examples and I'm going to show you what I would do if I was you to differentiate, to make these products different, to be able to create a business for yourself. So let's start the timer. Off we go. Okay, Black Box, we're on the products tab. So for categories, we're going to go home and kitchen. We're going to go office products, pet supplies, sports and outdoors. Monthly revenue. I want a minimum of 7,500, a max of 50,000 because I want a $50,000 a month product. Price, we don't want anything too competitive. We want, on average, no lower than 15 because it gets very competitive under there, and no higher than 35. Review count, this is very important. So the average results of these products, we basically don't want them to exceed, I'm going to say 240. Review rating, we want a minimum of 4 stars. Shipping size tier, you can get into that if you want. I'm not going to today. And the other important area is fulfillment. Now, with the storage issues at the moment, there's a lot of FBA listings, so we don't want to miss out. We are going to go FBA listings as well. On that subject, I'm going to drop a video on the storage limits to tell you how we are getting around that, because you can still succeed as an Amazon seller. So they're the filters, and let's go. Let's search. We've got just over 8.5 minutes to do it. So we've got 200 products here, and straight away, I'm a bit more worried than I was in the last video because the keyword method to me is better and we're just getting loads of clothes. So if I keep seeing clothes, do you know what I'm going to do? These are all sports and outdoors. I can't be dealing with it. I cannot deal with it. So we're going to go back up to categories. We're going to remove sports and outdoors. I'm really sorry, sports and outdoors, if you're upset with that because I'm upset as well. Okay. Let's have a look, and you're just now going to see inside my mindset to see what I think. So a Moroccan cotton area rug. It's going to be really big and quite expensive to produce. No, we're not going to do that. Let's keep going. A chair. We can't do a chair. How are they? Oh, they're chair covers. Read, Nick. Read. This is interesting. Chair covers. Go to the page on Amazon. Do you see? I nearly dismissed that because I was being an idiot, and I shouldn't do that because I'm going to let you down. Interesting. So number of images, 7. It looks like a pretty boring product. I like boring products. It's been up for 24 months, which is what we like. And there are only covers. So cool. I'm really interested in that. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're getting a lot of towels. A cat tree climbing tower hammock. Okay. It's only been around 3 months. Nick, you're an idiot. You shouldn't talk to yourself like that. But what I would like to do is make sure we're only seeing listings that have a certain amount of age on them. Okay, no, we don't seem to have that option so I'm just wasting more time. We're down to 6 minutes. What you can do on the keyword tab is set this so that listings are of a certain age, and that allows us to find products that are going to have enough data. But I'm really sorry, I've just wasted your time. Let's keep going. No, we don't like that. Electronics, no. We're avoiding batteries. Amazon absolutely hate people that sell batteries, and they will constantly try and shut you down for hazmat related issues. So if you're a beginner, just avoid them. An ergomatic, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Mouse mat, no. Waterproof mattress protector, no. Let's keep going. We've got dog collars. They look like they're going to have lots of variations. A bathroom decor box, toilet paper holder, wood tank, box paper storage basket. That is an awful title, but we're going to look at that product. What are they doing? You've got to write for the user. You don't just want to stuff all your keywords in. They've only been around 4 months, but who knows? We might have a product idea there. Let's keep going. Large litter box, bigger pet litter pan trainer. I quite like that. Okay, we're on to page 3. We've got just over 5 minutes, so we're firing through. So before we jump on, let's analyze what we've got here already. Now, straight away when I'm looking at this listing, I'm annoyed because we've got a number of different variations here. Now, if we're just starting out as a beginner, we probably don't want to be launching something with 8 different colors. Well, there's 7 different colors. No, 8 different colors, I was right. We did that, and it was really difficult to keep all the colors in stock. And if you're a beginner, you're making life too difficult for yourself. So I'd probably avoid this based on that. The only thing I would maybe argue with this is if you did a bit more research and you actually found that one color in particular was just really popular. To determine that, you might press this, keywords, and see if there are any color specific keywords that were telling you what the most popular color is. That could give you enough data to go in on this product. We're not going to waste any time. We've got 4.5 minutes. A bathroom decor box. Okay, this is interesting. I mean, it might be quite bulky. It might be. Might not be that bad. How many units are they selling a month? I mean, they've only got 1 left in stock, so I don't know what they're doing. I've got a feeling this probably isn't going to be good enough. Okay, they're doing 21,000 a month and only 71 reviews. So that's quite interesting. I would almost certainly bookmark this product and investigate because it's very simple, very easy to copycat, probably quite easy to make something, a little bit more attractive, to find something good enough quality. You could differentiate this by just changing the color. I mean, to be honest, I wouldn't really overcomplicate this. I would probably look at selling this if I could find a decent enough supplier. So that would be one I would consider. The only issue you might have is freight. How big are they going to be if you're just starting out? Okay, we've got 3 minutes. Let's move on. But I bookmarked that one. I've pinned it. Here we go. Our large rabbit litter box. Let's not try and pronounce that again. I'm so annoyed with how they've written that. That really is, come on. Okay, so this does look a little bit complicated. We've got all sorts on the side. No, it doesn't really, Nick. It doesn't look that complicated. We've got 3 color variations, so that doesn't put me off. I'd be interested to know if there was a pattern for this. So I'd move down here to the keeper graph. I'd look at all time. So the lower this pink line is, the more sales they're making. So they have been making sales since October 2020. Let's see what they're making a month. It's only going to be around 8,000, was it? Something like that. 10,000. Boom. Okay. Quite interesting. They've only got 164 reviews. If you're up against a cheating Amazon seller, you'll look at review velocity and this will be ridiculously high. But they sort of look like, it's pretty steady. Yeah, I would bookmark this product. Bless me. I've got hay fever. Didn't know if you know that. Okay, so this is quite interesting. So what I would do further to investigate this is probably first of all, and as we haven't got any other products, we've only got 2 minutes left, I would go keywords, and this is going to help you understand how people are finding this product and then going on to buy it. So it's another Helium 10 tool. Remember, if you want to use this tool, go into the description, get one of the coupons, okay? Save yourself some money and start getting to work today. Start changing your life. Stop talking about building an Amazon business and just build one. So this is what I would do. Reverse ASIN search using Cerebro. And this is going to show me all the keywords that this is ranking for. Now, I would look here between organic rank up to 10 because this is showing us how people are finding this product. The best keyword they've got here is bunny litter box. 10,000 searches a month. A Cerebro IQ score of 19,000. That's insane. I love this, and I love this product. You're only competing with 551. So what I would do, just to see what we're going up against, is click Bunny Litter Box. Okay, so when you open this up, we are competing with two very strong sellers with over 1,000 reviews. But if this seller is managing to make sales, then you have to ask yourself, could we? I have a feeling we probably could. I mean, we go down to this line, the reviews are much lower. And this is where it's going to be over to you to analyze and see what you could do to make this listing stand out. So in order to find preferential colors, you might keep digging through keywords. You might use Helium 10's audience tool and run a poll to see what sort of people that are interested in rabbits, what color they might prefer. Let's stop there. I promised you I'd do it, and I did it. So that's under 10 minutes, and that's a $10,000 a month product. And that's how we do it. It's simple. From this point, if you're interested in hooking up with suppliers, you could, again, make things easy for yourself. This is going to be absurd, by the way, on Bunny Litter Box. This is an extra bonus. I know we've gone past the 10 minutes, but all we would have to do is click Find Suppliers on Amazon through here, okay? And yeah, we're off. We're going to find someone that can make this for us. Make sure you're not infringing on anyone's patent. You're going to want to dig into it. But there's loads of results on here that are doing really, really well. Before you jump in, you're really wanting to find a handful of sellers that don't have too many reviews, that are doing good numbers, over 10,000, over $5,000 a month, that you could come in and emulate, that you could mimic, that you're going to be able to compete with. And that's how we do it. Okay, so hopefully you found this useful. If you're interested in these sorts of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications bell, and you're not going to miss anything. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure, as always. I'll see you in the next video.